Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get crown effect or crown filter on TikTok. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my TikTok application on my mobile phone, and then we're going to create new video on TikTok, and then we're going to apply crown filter or crown effect to our video. We can click on this plus icon to create new video or new post, and then we're going to scroll all the way to the left like this, and then just click on view all effects, and then we're going to search for crown effect or crown filter. Okay, just type in crown like this, and then there will be some effects or some filters you can use for your TikTok video. And for me guys, I'm just going to choose this filter, wear your crown. Okay, and then now this filter has been applied to my video. And wait, I'm going to flip my camera and show you the result. I'm going to flip it like this, and then I'm going to wear the crown. Okay, and this is the result, as you can see. And then you can create a video with this filter on your TikTok. Wait, I'm just going to click on this button. I'm just going to take a picture like this. And this is the result, guys. You can wear this crown to create a video or just photo, like me. Okay, and then after you apply this crown to your photo or video on TikTok, you will be able to post it. But before it, you can apply maybe sticker or text, or it's up to you. And wait, I'm just going to add the sticker to cover my face. All right, like this. And then once you're ready to post it, you can click on next, and then you can add description for your post. And then once you're ready to post it, you just need to click on post. Okay, I'm just going to click on this card. Okay, and I'm going to save this folder. Just click on the save button to save the folder. Okay, you can click on this button, and then the folder will be saved to your TikTok profile. I'm going to check it. Wait, I'm going to refresh. Okay, and it will be saved here, guys. Okay, as you can see that the crown effect has been saved to my TikTok profile. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get crown filter or crown effect on TikTok. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.